P0456, small evap leak. This is applies for a Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, something in between. It's a very common issue. Yeah, most likely it's the fuel cap. I would say change the fuel cap in the beginning. Just, it's a $10–15 cap, to save yourself diagnostic cost and all these issues. So if it works, it works. If it didn't, at least you have a new gas cap. It doesn't hurt to change it, especially if it's the car has high mileage or the cab is old. So just change it. So anyway, if changing the cap didn't work, so we have to dig into finding where is the leak coming from. I used the small detection machine here on this particular vehicle. I couldn't find any leak with the smoke. Somehow the smoke did not leak anywhere. I did other tests that I didn't want to get into right now. I'm just going to show you what happened here, what the problem is. So after all this, yes, I did check the purge valve, the one by the engine, check the gas tank, I checked the lines, all they look good. So the issue was in the leak detection pump or the vent solenoid, the one by the charcoal canister. Okay, which is this one right here. It's this one right here. Even though it did work, I checked it with a scope. It did work. I gave it power. The diaphragm inside this little piece that moves, it works. It seals very good, no issue. This one it didn't show a lot of signs of a problem, and with the smoke tested, I couldn't find anything. However, after I cleaned it, I found a smaller crack here. I couldn't tell if it's a crack or if it's a part, but I could see it's a smaller crack here. After I cleaned it a little bit, I saw it under. This was undercoated, so I had to clean this and see what's under it. I blow air here. I sealed this one. I blow air in this side, and nothing comes out. I could see it with my mouth. It was back pressure. It's not leaking. But I wasn't convinced. I was still convinced this is leaking. So what I did, I put soap here, and that's where I start to see the bubbles coming out. So I got a sponge here, and let me just put small soap here. Okay, as you can see, and I'm gonna connect this with a hose so I could blow with it. And I'm gonna seal this with my hands, and let's see. Let me just get this in the right way so I can trying to control this while I'm trying to film. Okay, blowing in it. Do you see those bubbles? So that's really very small leak. I have to blow very hard to get it. So the system very much apply vacuum to this and sees how fast the vacuum drops. Is that clear? So you can see it. It's leaking from here. This was the problem. But the smoke machine did not show any smoke coming out of this. The smoke wasn't strong enough to go through this. But with vacuum, if you apply vacuum to this or air pressure, you can see there is air coming out of this. So when the system seals, when the computer seal the whole evap system and check for leak, there will leak coming from. And I know there are other places you could find, but this was the problem. I did check everything else. Everything looks good. So This is the leak detection pump or the vent solenoid, whatever you want to call it. That was the issue, and that was the fix. Thank you for watching.